Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix microphone not working in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software update and check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then update your iPhone and after updating restart your mobile. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again, scroll down to the end, and from here open an app in which the microphone is not working to check the permissions. So for example, if the microphone is not working in Snapchat, then open Snapchat and from here check if the microphone button is turned on or not. So if this button is turned off, the microphone will not work properly in Snapchat. So make sure to turn on this button, and after turning on this button your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general, and then scroll down and here click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode. Now again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video.